guns in Africa. No more bombs in Africa. No more war in Africa. We need some more star in Africa. From the Ivory Coast and to the River Nile, every elder and juvenile, every elder's a juvenile. Make beside Mama Africa smile. Rated on the crowded field grounds, Africans without your brother home. Living with a conscience to call their home. And living a people without a soul. Until the passage of time to the holy cause. We will still need it to the holy cause. The last one of God. Asian God, Asian God, Asian God, Asian God, Asian God. Mama, 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 we got you. Mama, 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 we got you. Mama, mama.
Let me get to
You, mama, we got you now. Mama, we got you now. Mama, we got you now. We got an African continent is like a sleeping giant. Who don't know what they've done. Peace and love, African family.
Bye.
Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from jamtoursafrica.com family. And I promote health is wealth. You know what I mean? And you should promote health. The new restaurant is coming from it, family. The vegan Jamaican restaurant. You're getting the Jamaican food, you know, with no MSG, no preservative. It's like vegan. And then you still got that original vegan food, family.
Okay,
Thank you.
Bye.
This jam was bring me some fruits and stuff. Thank you. Yeah, family. So,
Bye.
bye, Amish. Ami. It's my little Ami. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye bye. Go with mommy. Go on. Bye bye.
Let's go.
Alright, Amish. Well, let me get my thoughts together to make this video.
Today we are not going. Papa is coming fast. I shouldn't have come with this boy.
Yeah, no. She just hold him. Let me drive out. Much more life me I give thanks for.
Bye-bye. Actually, this one.
Come, Amish, go.
Tell me bye-bye.
Those shackles and chain. Close it, sweetie. Close it. Let's close it and go on.
Bye.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So, you know what I mean? I've just been having thoughts and I just want to come to actually make this video for you guys to let you guys know that, you know what I mean? The entire world will be run and ruled from Kenya, family. And what you see happen in 2025, all of these puppet imperialism that is run by the colonialists will have to go, family. And when you see people been marching in the streets, you know what I mean? It's a different era we're living in, family. So now the futurists, I've been thinking about a whole lot of stuff, family, since I came back from Mount Zion. There's so much I've been thinking about, family, and this is not my first video. I just been gathering my thoughts and, you know what I mean, and actually been figuring out how to move now that I know this information, this prophecy, and all this information that I know about, family. So as I said to you guys been last, you know what I mean, I've been just thinking about everything, family, like, you know what I mean, it's just crazy, family. Now I'm thinking to myself, and I said to myself that, you know what I mean, we all know the globalists, they want the one world order, family, but is the Most High to have one world order too. So you know, say everything the Most High want to do, Satan always have a mirror thing similar to what he want to do, family. It's crazy. Now you guys hear about that they want to actually reduce the population and all of these things. You know what I mean? Because they want to create the one world order. Now the Most High want to create in one world order, and you know what I mean, if your soul is in shambles and you not live righteous, we give you a warning. And if you don't take the warning, then you know that you're gonna be wiped off of this earth. And then that's how the world gonna be actually the world gonna reset, family. So all of these things that they're planning, and here they want a global reset and all of these things, is the Most High is planning his goal is global reset, but Satan are planning his global reset. So it's a battle between the two of them fighting, family. So what I want to tell you guys that, you know, what you're seeing up here in Africa is a serious thing, family. And you guys have to understand that the world will be ruled and run from Kenya. Kenya gonna be having a one world order system, because all of these, just like in the Bible, the Babylonian system with Nebuchadnezzar, that was the last system, you know what I mean, that the Most High burn down and run down, and you know, empires and kings and all of this. Now you have these leaders, say them are like with them democratic thing and all kind of thing, family, which is not working. You know what I mean? I said to myself the other day, family, that I don't see how somebody can say live into a world where one man honest everything and have over 300 billion, and you have 8 billion, 9, 10 billion people on the earth, and people are suffer, people are starved, them are kill people, innocent people, them are take away people land, you know what I mean? All of these things, family. So it's just the last stage that we are at, right, family. When you see this, you see the entire Africa march, then cannot go in and kill Gaddafi like how they kill him. You know what I mean? It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. You know what I mean? Imagine with information, so much people are marching and protest. You know, this never happened in a Gaddafi time. So even if you try to take out one person, no, a stronger one will rise up. If you take out Thomas Sankara, now Abraham rise up and he's stronger million times. You never can think about touching him. You know what I mean? If you can think about touching him to all people, actually, because social media, and that's the thing, all of these tools that you see, and AI and all these things, is another step from the internet. We actually going to free the people and make them understand information and know, you know, get information. But then we never have information. Every little thing that we see on the television, we have to believe it. But now, because of AI, information is here to all of our African, you know what I mean? You know, we are the last one to get technology and all of these things, family. So that's the reason why, you know what I mean, the information is out, the cat is out the bag, and this imperialism right now can't get a chance to actually install them puppet. There's no more puppet African leader will be installed. The last one and that is there right now, the younger generation is kicking them out and actually taking over family. So I'm telling you guys, you know what I mean, these revelations I'm getting right now is serious. And you know what I mean, if you're in Kenya, just all your asses look around, look what is happening. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? It's the last days we're living in right now, family. By 2030, you're gonna have a new government system that will allow the world to be prosper, and everything will be run from Kenya. You're gonna have the East Africa block, and then now, you know what I mean, a lot of people will be actually, you know, who want to follow that this system that Kenya will be developing to actually run and rule the world. They will follow. Most people gonna reject it. People in the Europe gonna reject it because they must say, "Yo, Ray, you're African. We're not bow down to the African." But you have to bow down to we, because so shall it be in the beginning, so shall it be in the end, family. You know what I mean? So we want to let you know all of this information, family. I'm not gonna say too much because right now I'm just processing this information right now to come to you with you know what I mean, with all of these findings and all of these happenings and all of these things that we'll be noticing coming out of Kenya. So to watch for Kenya, almost everything, even the protests and how people start to protest. The first protest was happening in Kenya. Like the first protest where people start to say, hey, what they're doing to us is wrong. We're not taking this no more. We want this to be like this. Now, you know what I mean? Look at Gen Z with all the information Gen Z have and all the lies them telling in the past. And now the truth is here. You can't expect say the world gonna be the same, family. As I'm saying to you, with all the lies them telling in the past and all the craft up with them craft up and all of the imperialism with them do actually have African country, you know what I mean, have them reserving them in a different country and all of these currency backed by, you know what I mean, another country. What the F? How can you have somebody country currency backed by your country. What is the going on? Now, all of, you know what I mean, the social media and all the millions of people see that what Burkina Faso is doing is the right thing. So there is no one on planet Earth can come say all of these little tricks and ploys we then use back in the day, say, oh, create all of these people to come and see the small little people them create and say Abraham must go. That even make no sense. Because the entire world see I know what the man is doing is right for his people. Because it's, you know, there's no way on earth one man, one country should have so much trillions of dollars or whatever. And another country, you know what I mean, people are suffer, people are no place to live and all kind of thing. Imagine people living at the Congo, them living at the Garden of Eden. And the people them are suffer like dog. I don't understand this. This is like them have the richest minerals, them have the most minerals in the world. We sustain life and sustain our technology and all of these things. These people come and exploit it out, and you know what I mean, the country get nothing. So tell me now, all of these things, I feel like say the world can be the same family, the world gonna change. You know what I mean? And for the world to change, the Eden has to go, family. You know what I mean? The people, the Antichrist got to go. You know what I mean? A lot of people feel like say them are praise Christ, but them are the Antichrist. And those people got to go, family. So this is just a small video I'm doing right now because I'm still processing information. I'm still actually, you know, deciphering, and I'm still downloading information to bring to you. There are certain things I don't even want to say, but until I drop those Mount Kenya video, then we can say a whole lot of stuff, family. You see what I'm saying? So I hope you like this video. Share, tell a friend to tell a friend that no more puppet leader. Africa is uniting, and we're gonna create a block, and you know what I mean, no one will be actually suffering in Africa no more. You know what I mean? Suffering will be end by 2030. You know what I mean? By 2020, by end of this month, the end of this year, you're gonna see so many change in Kenya. Watch out for it. Just watch out, because this is where the Most High live, and we'll be ruling from Kenya, family. You know what I mean? We'll be ruling from Mount Zion. Mount Zion will be the only place of worship. And you know what I mean? You know, I might be saying some things. People are gonna say I'm crazy, I'm mad. And it's just like in the beginning when Noah used to walk and preach and say, yo, this a gonna happen, you know, that a gonna happen. You know what I mean? It's not gonna happen like that, but it a gonna happen in a similar way where it will catch a lot of people off guard, and a lot of people the man I tell me say, yo, people will be crying and weeping when they realize say, yo, Jano, this boat really missed me because we never take heed. People are gonna be crying. The one them will be crying, and the people them who actually miss out and them actually beat themselves and they can't believe say, yo, Jano, the world changed so fast and so much things happen, and the Most High is real, and Jesus Christ of Nazareth is real. He's a black African man, and them now go, you know what I mean? Trust me, family, if we get a black pope, trust me, as I hear some speech from that black pope and he says some things, family, that is serious, family. I'm telling you, like, if we get that black pope, I hope it's over, family. You know what I mean? It just shows everything is aligned and everything is put in place and everything. Now, actually, 2025, family, is the manifestation of things. And if you guys don't know what is manifestation is when you have a nation actually thinking alike. Just like how you have all of these young Gen Z and all of those millennials, you know what I mean? Right now, all of the Africa should all have all presidents should be millennials. There should be no other Gen X and all of these people, because most of them is actually been corrupt with you know what I mean, imperialism and all kind of bribe and all kind of thing. You know what I mean? Them feel like say this kingdom is all about having how much hectares of land, having all of this whatever big business in the country, and rare. You know what I mean? Life is not about that. You know what I mean? When the Most High set up his kingdom in Zion, everybody will be actually have a piece of land. I'm saying to myself, in Africa there's so much wasteland and the government have all of it, when the people should be able to inherit it and actually live you know what I mean, live a life of not suffering, family. So all of these things will be changed. And you see people, and you see a country start issuing out land to its citizens, it's time for a change, family. It's time we understand that we're going into prosperity, and the world will be run and ruled from Africa. You know what I mean? So when I see Donald Trump, I do all of this, family, I try to sweeten pot for African countries, sign mineral deals and all these rare earth deals The world's be run on mineral family, and who have all of the mineral in the world? Africa has the most important minerals in the world family. So if we start to evaluate our actually economic by minerals, what you think of happen family? You know what I mean? All of the gold of them take we have to come back here because they might use it now to buy, they might use the gold to buy minerals from us to sustain themselves and them whatever they're doing family. So all of these things family has to come back to Africa. And as I say, Africa will be the strongest country, and Africa won't be the one to beg. Africa will be one to give, because black people is actually a nation of giving. And so we're still gonna break bread with these imperialists same way in the last run. The one them that actually, you know what I mean, believe in the Most High, we still gonna break bread with them and actually make them live a good life same way. So black people is not all for themselves. You know what I mean? We're gonna create the kingdom and make sure we say peace and love and harmony is on this earth family. So one love, bless, Jamaica. I'm out. We stand with Burkina Faso and we liberate Burkina. Alright? We out.